The next stage of soldering up your circuit board is to take your light emitting diode, your LED. Now, with the resistors, it didn't make any difference which way around you put them on the circuit board, so you could put them this way around or the other way around, and it doesn't really matter because electrons flow through that component whichever way around that it is. Now, a diode is a component that only allows electrons to flow in one direction around the circuit, so we need to make sure it's the right way around. So this light emitting diode, slightly different than just a plain diode, you need to make sure it's the right way around. So you can see it's got two legs on it and one is shorter. Now the shorter leg is the negative leg, and you'll also see that on the top, it's very hard to see on the video, but one side is flattened, so one side's had a piece taken away from it. You can see it's just glinting in the light there, just flatter there on that side, and that's the side with the short leg. So the short leg and the side with the bit that's taken had a bit of the round bit taken off is the negative side. So it's been subtracted, been taken away. So that's a good way to remember it, and that is the side that needs to go in the correct place on your circuit board. So component in from the top end, and I'm going to pop it straight on. So that's the negative side there, that's the positive side. So the longer leg in the positive side and the short leg in the negative side. Push it through. This can sit straight down on the circuit board like before. Tiny bend to get it in the right place. And then onto my third hand. And then solder it on as before. And there we go. Give it a trim. And it is done. Okay, next video we shall talk about testing.